Hey guys, this is Bhumika Sharma. Welcome you to my YouTube channel. Let's Makeup with Bhumika. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a wing liner. So first of all, what we need is we need to make an angle of a wing on both of our eyes. We need to go very close to our lower lash and flick out to the eyebrow, to the end of the eyebrow. Like this. Now I've got the angle on this eye. I'm doing on another eye. So guys, look straight and check if it's symmetry. When you're satisfied with your angles, then what you need to do is you have to pull the liner towards the lash line and make a triangle. Like this. And now you have to connect this from the inner corner of your line of your eye. And just fill the triangle. So guys, if you messed up with your liner, you need not to worry. You just have to take a flat brush and take a foundation on it and just apply beneath and just smudge it. It's done. So guys, I've got a liner here and I'm doing the another eye. Just pull out the liner towards the lash line from the tip of the angle we've got. So we've got the triangle. Now match the line. Now connect the liner from the inner corner. And now just fill the triangle. Guys, this is the final look after wing liner. So I'm just applying mascara just to make it more dramatic. guys try this tutorial, and if you have any problem related to this tutorial, DM me or message me personally and I will get back to you soon as possible. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you guys.